Here's how to adjust the firmness of your exterior door handle on the Cayenne. Odds are this will not fix your unlocking issue and requiring a press-in to open, if that's why you opened this video. I made this guide in an attempt to resolve my issue, but had to dig deeper and replace the door lock actuator. Regardless, we're making this video to serve as a guide on adjusting how the external door handle responds. This is what it should look like using a regular Torx head. We're going to need the T6. You can see somebody's been inside of here already. I'll actually want to remove this. Don't lose this. And with the top one removed and this one loosened, like so, the lock mechanism comes out. And so this is what it looks like on the inside. Odds are, see that black cable? Odds are it's stretched too tight. In this video, we will be adjusting it down a few rungs and then seeing if that fixes the issue. For the test run, you want to push this in, which I've done with my finger. Let me show you on the passenger side door. So that it clicks twice. And that's the door being locked. So when we try the door handle, the door opened. That's what we've done here. We've pushed in the black latch mechanism. What we're going to do here is we're going to keep a finger on pushing the cable in, because without this mechanism, we don't keep it in place while we push, it's just going to pop out. So the finger on it, I've pulled and we saw the mechanism work, but it was still floppy and not good. So let me reset the latch and show you again. 2 clicks, keep it open, and it was mushy, but it worked. So that's how we're going to conduct the tests. Now we take the A flathead, pry this little black thingy out. Being careful to catch it if we need to. Okay, it's not going to fly away on me, which is good. So we're on the lowest setting, and let's see how that goes. Okay, so that does it. Pull. Ooh, that felt nice. We insert our lock mechanism back in place. The lock cylinder should go right back in. I've loosened this screw most of the way. Slides right back in. Then you tighten it. It was approximately there. And then we adjust. It's a little too tight for my taste, but it's a lot better than before. Take the T6 Torx, take your very small, get it in the hole. If this falls inside the door, you're gonna have a very bad day. Install while pushing in the lock cylinder, reinstall the lock cylinder. If all went well, to reinstall the tab, there's a little tab that goes into the top, plastic trim piece, and then we push it in. Enjoy your tour.